Hello guys. Today we are seeing the example of context and merging two contexts with custom field. We will be using Laravel 12, PHP 8.2. Let's see the detailed work done. Context and its CRUD operation. Context listing, filtering, searching, lazy loading of context, facility to merge two contexts with custom field. Also, we are seeing mask delete and all actions without loading page. This is my context with merging facility, delete facility, add and edit also using without loading the page. Let's first see the database. Here, contexts are empty, custom fields are empty, its values are empty, and merging is empty. Let's check the structure of this. Uh, Name, email, phone number for the contact, gender, profile image, additional files, merge into secondary contact will have master contact ID over here. Then let's move to custom field. I have used lug-based custom fields creation so that no repetition of custom fields will be there in our project. The values of the custom field stored using that custom field ID, contact ID, and its value. Merge contacts will track like merging the master contact, secondary contact ID, and the first data of master contact are stored in JSON format over here. Let's check the create contact process. Mhm. Then plus 9176984599297 file, additional file, task list. Let's say birth date 23/08/1191. Right now, I have just assumed for text to fill only. Later, we can create using the type also. Okay, it will ask about the. So this is the view format. I have created the list in ULLI format so that I can load 15 records repeatedly. Let's generate the other records using Cedar. So here we are having 30 more contacts. As, as you can see, let me show you. First data, total records are 31. First 14 records have come. When I scroll, another get data will be loaded. When I again scroll, then also I am getting a record, and the last record will be null. Now, no more scrolling, no more again. The loading process will be done. Here I have given the checkbox facility to facilitate the merge and delete process. If I am having two selected contacts, then only merge will be enabled. When I select three contacts, merge will be unavailable, delete will be available. All three can be deleted together or individual using over here. Edit also we can do it. Let's just check edit process. Junior, Junior. 5. I would say this, add custom field yoga. Yes, and update, right? So over here, okay, it is over here. Now let's filter it by name. I just type junior over here, right? And then email ID 86 example.com only. And then if I select only email, then also only female, only others. Okay. Now let's do the merging and delete process. First of all, I delete the this single person using its own delete button. End to on. Yes, I want to delete it. So now I will search end to on. No. But if I search Murray, okay. Now let's do it using this and this. Aurora and Fleta. Delete. Yes, delete it. Let's search Aurora. Let's search Fleta. Okay. Now let's do the merging process. I select two and do this merge. It will ask which one will be the master. If this will be the master, then it will merge these fields also, like the name, comma, this name, it should show, right? Let's merge it. Are you sure you want to? Yes, merge them. Okay, nice. So this name was merged and having a comma with the fields also. Numbers we are having, emails we are having. Also, we can check the custom fields over here, right? Now, this contact is already used for merging purpose. So here we are having this symbol, and this process is not now available. These actions are not available. This checkbox is not available for merge or delete common operations over here, right? This checkbox is not available. Okay. Now let's merge another thing. Like I remove these things. First update, right? And sorry. Hmm. Dr. Garado Okhan PhD. I will select this, and Justina Stretch has age 33, 10, 23 in this. This should merge into Garade over here. Let's merge it. Merge. This will be the master, and Justina Stretch custom fields will be over there in Gerardo Okhan PhD. Yes. Okay. Over here now we can see all these are inherited from that particular secondary context. So this is my practical. Also lazy loading is available. So this is for it.